Hi, it's Dave the Train Guy from the Hobby Man by Hearns. Today we're doing another one of Hornby's throwback retro train sets. This time we're doing the Hornby Duplo electric train set, which is this one here. Ta-da! In this rather nicely presented box. Now, this is a retro set because originally when Hornby Duplo came out, it was actually a 3-rail system, and they were making model trains with metal bodies from about 1938, stopped during the war, and then recommenced manufacture in 1948. So obviously there was a bit of a break. So these were obviously prized in the day, and we actually had a customer in today who actually told me it was equivalent in the day to about 2 weeks' wages. So these were quite a prize if you had one. Now this particular set is based on is a retro set, and obviously it's going to be 2-rail, not 3-rail, but it was based on a set released in 1953-57, I believe. But anyway, we'll do the unboxing. And again, it's very much like the Triang set. It's in a very much a period box. There we go. Yeah, nice big sturdy custom cardboard box with a very happy young lad there who's been slightly airbrushed. Okay, what you get. What you get. Now this is a pack train set, and pretty much like the retro set offered by Hornby that was celebrating Triang's anniversary, this one is purely just track, an engine and 2 coaches. But what you get is pretty impressive. Now just looking at the box, they've done their little best to make it look as period orientated as possible, just with little things here that for example, it says oil all parts and bearings. And they're making a bit of a song and dance about British Rail, because British Rail would have just come into government control as a new organisation roughly around about the time this set was released. So it was pretty exciting times in the UK if you're a train enthusiast. Anyway. And like I said, you get enough track to build an oval that's 4.6 by 3.5, but they also have it in metric, which wasn't around in the 1940s or 50s. Now this is the impressive bit. Now I can assure you this beast weighs pretty heavy. Now the loco they have chosen is the Duchess of Montrose, so it's a princess class. Now there we go. I'll just tilt it carefully on its side. Now I'll take it over its plastic. Even though it's all metal, this thing weighs, like I just mentioned before, it's quite heavy. So it should pull a decent train if you were to use it as a regular engine on your layout and not just as a train set engine. But on saying that too, it's rather nicely detailed, and you're probably not going to pick up on the detail. And I'm not really going to tilt it right over, but you do get a bit of cab interior. But it does have a bit of side detail here too. And I might even be going to sort of weigh it for you in a minute, so I'll come back and tell you the actual weight of it. Okay, just putting that on the scales, which we just conveniently have to have in our studio. This model, like I said before, comes in at 688 grams, so it's probably one of the heaviest models I've ever unboxed or reviewed. So, like I said, it should be able to pull a decent sized train, more than the 2 coaches supplied with the set. Also, in this set, you get 2 coaches per the original set. And just remember too, the original set was actually 3-rail, not 2-rail, so a bit of a concession there. But you do get 2 coaches, 2 Mark 1 coaches, so you get a BR Crimson as the first class coach, and you get a composite. Ta-da. And like I said before, you get oval track And you get some straights, obviously power clip, but like I said, no transformer. Now with the Duchess, sorry, the Princess, no, the Duchess, is DCC ready. So it'll actually take an 8-pin decoder if you choose to convert it to digital. So there we have it. If you're looking around for a gift idea, or you missed out as a child, or just like the look of it, it's available here. You can either buy it in store, or you can order it online at the Hobby Man or Hearns online, and all orders over $100 are postage free within Australia. Until next time, happy modelling.